Hello and welcome to the Node.js Master Class. So, if you are interested in building real-world Node applications, then you are in the right place. This is a project-based master class. We will teach you how to build backend APIs and GUI with Node and how to put them all together. So, who's this course for? It's basically for anyone that wants to learn how to build Node applications. We are not talking about a do application or any simple application. We are going to build a pretty extensive API and GUI. This course is also for those who knows basics of Node and want to expand their knowledge. In this course, we will not talk much about theory and show diagrams. It's a very hands-on course and we will be dealing with more advanced projects. Now, I wouldn't say this course is advanced, but I definitely wouldn't say that it's for beginner. Again, this is a master class. So you should know at least basics of JavaScript and your terminal. If you don't, I would suggest at least watching some YouTube crash courses on JavaScript. I'm sure that there are lots of resources available there. If you never programmed in Node.js, then that's okay. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know about Node. Remember, you are going to need to be comfortable on your terminal before you start this course. We will not be walking through how to change directories, create an empty file, move files from one location to another location, or anything else like that. I'm sure you will find lots of resources on YouTube.